are we from? Zovargo. That's
Tray items for you today. And Kukra. What you're gonna go for today though, the tastiest one of all that you just happen to choose, you're gonna choose the scorpion. Alright, can you dive down and grab that scorpion, Kukra? Ready, go! Woo! That was a dive, for sure. And then